What's good, YouTube? We back with another banger, Here with another high taper fade tutorial. It's with my boy Joel. Curly hair types, they go from a lot of different ranges. I'll put a graph right here so you guys can see the different lengths. So Zeke Mayo probably had a 3A, 3B, which is very common with people with mixed descent a lot of the times. Not always, don't quote me on that. People with coarse hair, you gotta work at it a lot different. It's not always gonna cut right the first time. You need to see all these different types of hair textures. If I get a white dude in here and he wants a high taper fade, I'm gonna show you all that too. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is the second banger out of many to come. And you know, without further ado, let's get it. Yeah. Let's get it, YouTube. Hope y'all having a great day, because you know I am. We're here with my boy Joel. He's been coming to me for about 2 years now, or 1.5 almost, right? And so he just like a high taper. He likes his hair to last a lot longer after the cut, so high is the way to go. So you see me going in with my ball shavers, my Andis ball shavers, and you saw me going with my U-free trimmers, and now we making that first guideline, and we taking it out right away. No wasting any time, guys, not wasting any time. We trimming up that bulk from the top, and then we blending it up with that one guard up, and then we just going all the way down. It's a quick transition. You see this video, it's only gonna be a few minutes long because I'm cutting so fast, and you can see that butter crispy lineup, or that butter crispy taper fade. You already see that, right? You already see that coming in. There ain't no line in it, but you know, when we put that line in it, it's just gonna make everything come together. Look at that line in there. Look at that line in there. You already know. Butter crispy, right? So quick blend in there, quick blend like it's nothing. We already on the back, and I'm telling you, when you do it like how I do it, you're gonna cut in 15-20 minutes, right? Now we're gonna get that back line up right there, and you can tell that he has like a lot of bulk on his ear area, but we're gonna leave that bulk there, and we're just gonna blend into the bulk because he wants to grow out his hair a little bit more on that ear area. So we're gonna clean up that ear area with the U-free trimmers, you know, right there. And we already on the back. I'm telling y'all, we already on the back because that's how fast we move, man. Let me know for other barbers that are out there how long it takes for your cuts, what your appointments take, and what kind of services that you guys put out there. I put out a couple services actually. I do what I like to call the full package. So if you want to get a design with a whole cut, fade, taper, with a beard trim, all that, everything's included basically. And I'm doing that just because I'm in college, and so I wanted to make everybody that was in college around me basically have an affordable cut. Whole reason why I started cutting was because I wasn't trying to pay that $25, that $30 for a cut, and then for it to be a bum ass cut from one of the barbers that's back home. And so I started learning how to cut, and I'm trying to bless everybody with me, give everybody damn near Black Friday discounts with all my cuts, right? But you can see I'm blending up his back right there. I'm blending the back up, and you know, you can tell that it's a little off-centered just because of the fact that I'm trying to make sure that I'm recording it right and everything's coming together. But you about to see everything come together real quick. You're gonna see all that bulk look the same right there. And you know, I'm going back in, lining up the next area right behind the ear, and you can see that butter crispy smooth lineup, right? Hey, bro, if y'all want to know where I get my beats from, I might let y'all know. But also go follow my my music page at Fruity Smooth, right? I have one video out. I'm about to drop a whole mixtape in the next 2 weeks, so y'all best be ready for these bangers, man. Come on, man. Now we blended it all the way up, right? You already see what I did. You see how quick that took? Oh my god, butter crispy. And now we getting straight to the lineup. So he also likes to have a taper hairline, just like my first video with Zeke Mayo. So we trimmed down all that bulk, right? And I would like to show in this video right here that my boy Joel, he has widow's peak. And so how you have to deal with widow's peaks is it's inevitable for you to go back on the widow's peak to make a crispy lineup, unless you want to have a Vegeta cut. You know, I'll put a picture of Vegeta right here. Unless you want to have a Vegeta cut, you gotta push it a little bit, and his isn't really bad, so it's not even gonna be that bad. By the time he comes in the next 3 weeks, it won't even be halfly all grown out. It's gonna be straight, it's gonna be crispy for a good 2 weeks right here. Yeah, and then now you see me, I'm putting my Rich Barber enhancements, and I'll put all my links in the description of all the items that I use, and I'll put that in there for y'all if y'all really want to know. So you can see that butter crispy smooth, and you know, I'm not trying to go too deep because I'd rather, my motto is cut less and then come back to it later, because once you cut that hair is gone. Like, it's done, it's finito. And so if I can save you by not cutting as much hair, and maybe you might like it with the longer hair, and then if you want me to cut more, I'll keep cutting more. People will tell me, hey, trim it down to a 1. I'm like, you know how much a 1 is? And they like, yeah, I know how much a 1 is. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna go down to a 2 open, and we gonna see if you like that, and if you want me to keep going, I'll keep going down. And all the time they like, yeah, bring it back down there, my bad, bro. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I'm the barber, so you know, I gotta let people know, I gotta put people on game. But you see this crispy smooth lineup that's coming in, right? He already cheesing, he already smiling. This man happy as hell. His girlfriend about to be happy as hell that he's seeing this crispy man, right? And so now he likes to have all of his sideburns cut off all the way to the goatee area, and then he likes to have like that little goatee area. He likes to just line it up. We gonna cut all the excess, the little hairs, the stubbles that's coming in. We gonna cut under the neck, make sure that the neck's clean, because you know, nobody wants to grow a neck beard right there, right? And so we gonna do that, and we gonna line up the goatee. The goatee is crispy. You gotta have the goatee crispy, the lineup crispy on the forehead, the lineup gotta be crispy on the goatee. And we line up his mustache, and this man will be ready to go with the product. I wet the hair, and then I went in with my Cantu curling activator for men, so it has that little cologne smell, the Collagony. That shit smell beautiful. That shit smell like men, bro. And look at this man. This man happy as hell. This man's crispy. I hope you guys liked the video. My boy Joel is happy as hell after this. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what other videos you want to see. If you want to see curly hair tutorials, if you want to hear my barber journey, what products I use, what clippers I use, all my barber tools, let me know. Comment down in the comment section below. I'm Fruity Smooth, and we gonna see y'all later. Peace.